Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to find games on Steam that are 100% off, completely free.
First, open the Steam app on your PC. Make sure you log into your account. Once you're all in, go to the Store tab at the top. This is where all the games and sales are listed. Now scroll down a bit and click on Browse All, or just type something like Free to Play in the search bar. But here's the trick. Click on Search without typing anything. Then on the right side, click Narrow by Price and choose Free. Go to the Specials section under the Discounts filter, then sort the list by price, low to high. Any game that shows 100% off means it's completely free right now, but usually only for a few days, so act fast. Make sure to add it all to your library, not just the download. That way it's yours forever even after the deal ends. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.